How to fix WhatsApp red receipts not working on iPhone. Wondering why you're not seeing blue ticks on WhatsApp? Let's fix red receipts on iPhone. First of all, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and make sure red receipts is turned on. Remember, both you and the other person must have red receipts enabled to see blue ticks. In group chats, you'll only see receipts when others check the message. No blue ticks for all by default. And just like that, your red receipts should start working again. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.